Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, my next video is about not myself, but this video is addressed to RG of Master Gala. By the way, I think you all know the news lately na ang kanyang subscribers ay umabot na ng 992,000 subscribers. So meaning he will be catching at least exact 8,000 or 8,000 more subscribers kasi he will be reaching 1 million subscribers. I'm not so sure if this is only in the whole Philippines. Baka may outside Philippines yung like OFWs. So, yun. So, my point is that yung ang kanyang video account ay umabot na ng 1M. So, ang point ko dito, itong video na to is that once he reach 1 million subscribers, kuha na yan, may kasunod pa yan. Papunta na siya sa Gold Button Award. Ibig sabihin, pag Gold Button Award, yung kumbaga sa buzzer, pag na-press yan ng gold buzzer, kumbaga sa contest, may award siya galing sa YouTube. Of course, doon mismo sa bahay i-deliver. Kasi kung saan siya naka-address, so doon siya ipapadala. Then meron din siya matatanggap na email. So, yun. So, ang point ko dito is simple lang. Si RG, ang point ko dito sa video na to is I would like to congratulate him in advance. So, na reaching 1 million subscribers in his YouTube video account. So, by the way, RG, I would like to say congratulations in advance sa 8,000 subscribers lang, going 1 million subscribers. Keep it up. Don't lose hope. By the way, as what I've said, my advice before, do not leave this video kasi dahil kumonti ang viewers that time. Pero when I check your videos, umabot naman ng 135,000 viewers. Baka hindi mo lang na-check. Then, chinek ko yung iba kong videos mo. Hindi naman 100 viewers. Actually, 135,000 viewers sa isang video lang, ha. So, grabe ang social media. RG, lakas ng impact. Kaya sinasabi ko na sa iyo ahead na itong videos mo ay well-known ka na pala sa whole Philippines. Based on my research and findings, ang video mo ay whole Cavite province. Sikat ka na pala. Aside from Cavite, Bulacan. So, Bulacan is Region 3 or Central Luzon. Tapos, Nueva Ecija. Meron kang in-upload dati yung parang school na na-abandon. No wonder, whole Nueva Ecija province or whole province of Nueva Ecija naging well-known ka na pala. Tapos, umabot ka na ng Mindanao, I think, Davao yata, I'm not so sure. Then may nagsasuggest daw pinapapunta ka na rin ng Visayas province such as Iloilo, Cebu, Leyte o Samar. Ang inaantay ko na part kung makabisit ka sa Negros Oriental. By the way, ang provincial capital is Dumaguete City, Negros Oriental. By the way, to all viewers, wag kayo magtaka, this is the sound of pedicabs. Nasa second floor ako kasi para yung view, kasi maganda ang view sa video. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.